This is one horrendous storm. Six hours of cooking. Caramelizing. Oh, good morning, everybody. Anyway. Well, I'm heading out on another camping trip. I am about 99.9% better-ish. Yeah. After the surgery, decided to give it about a month and a half. I think we're actually about a month. Under like a week. So I am feeling pretty good. We're heading up to one of my favorite spots. Well, just give you a little rundown of what I do when I pull into a camping area. I turn on some music, but of course. And then I always pull out the mountain bike to go pay the fee. And then I always take off the bracket for my shower so I can pull out my ladder. That will give me access to the top solar panels that I can put them out, unzip the tent. Of course, crack a beer. That's absolutely number one when we're camping in a beautiful, gorgeous area like this. And yes, I am the only one here again. I open this place up and I'm going to close this place down. It's kind of like symbolic anymore. It's past like, I think 3-4 years I've been coming here. Anyway, and then I pull the tent out, put all my stuff up there. Of course, I already got my pillow, sleeping bag. I put an extra pad in there too. Put my clothes up there. And then I fold back the thing. I put my awning room out for cooking. Take all my stove, my table, put it inside of there and stuff. Then I take all my firewood and put it over there by underneath the truck. Hammock, got to put the hammock up. So all the toys. I don't know if you guys can see them. guys, second meal of the night. Corn on the cob, pasta, chicken, Rob's mead, salad, and bread. Well, it's day 3. Had beautiful weather, beautiful weather. Last night we had some rain and it is windy. Of course you can hear the wind. Everything held up. Nothing blew away, so. But yeah, I wish I would have known how fast the wind was blowing. Because, you know, it at least got up to, I want to say 20, 30 miles an hour. I mean, it was blowing pretty good. I don't know though. My weather app didn't say. Maybe I'll look it up. All right. So enjoy the video. KTM 250. One of the best bikes that I've ever rode. Okay guys, stay tuned. More video to come. See ya! Trying to keep the toes warm and yeah, okay, yeah, grizzly bear. This is big time. Now caramelizing the ribs. Yes, so after boiling them, now we're going to caramelize them in teriyaki and barbecue sauce. That was like 6 hours of cooking. To be honest with you, we cooked it big time. So we got wow, that's hot. That was the baked beans. So, the spare ribs, not bad. Not bad at all. Great flavor. Tender. Tender. Oh yeah. Caramelize. Just perfect. Oh, good morning everybody. Anyway. Excuse me. Oh, let's try this again. Good morning, everybody. Last night was quite interesting. The weather, the rain, the wind got up to about 35, 45 miles an hour, and everything held pretty tight. So today it's just doing a little bit of sprinkling. It's getting chilly. 2 days ago it was in the 70s, high 70s. Now we're dipping down into the 30s, 40s. I'll make some breakfast. Went riding on the dirt bike yesterday too. That was pretty fun. And yeah, so bundling up. I do have pants on today just to take the chill out of the body, you know, toes. But had a pretty halfway decent night's sleep somewhat. And yeah, but we'll get up and evaluate the damage outside. I woke up this morning about 7:30. It's about 10 right now. Crawled back in the sack there just to take a nap. And I feel a lot better. But yeah, so let's get this day started. There we have it, morning breakfast. Actually, this is probably the perfect time to check my four-wheel drive, because that's what I mainly replaced, was the hub. We got to go up this hill, and going down wasn't a problem, of course, but going up, I notice every once in a blue moon I got to pop it into four-wheel drive. This would be a good test to test it. And if it breaks, then I'm stuck in the middle of this park. Well, that could be interesting, you know, because there's sometimes that I've like spun the wheels. Let's park this, or let's stop it. We're going to kick it into four-wheel high. We kicked it in four-wheel high. I guess everything seems to be working properly. All right,